ACCRA Academy. A lipid is formed through a condensation reaction between which molecules? No, for bonus. All right, which of you please appear?
Okay, glycerol and fatty acid.
No, I'm not accepting that. Fatty acid and alcohols, not a specific type. Fatty acids and alcohols. All right, your major question. Mention any one of the main types of lipids in biological systems. Yes, Bafuwa.
Steroids.
Yes. There are other types as well. Next, 30 seconds, and I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. A charged particle of mass 0.20 kilogram moving at 2.0 meters per second enters perpendicularly the region between a pair of parallel plates which are separated by 0.20 meters. The charge on the particle is 5.0 nanocoulombs. Did you get your preamble? A charged particle of mass 0.20 kilogram moving at 2.0 meters per second enters perpendicularly the region between a pair of parallel plates which are separated by 0.20 meters. The charge on the particle is 5.0 nanocoulombs. Now, Islamic, find the magnitude of the acceleration of the particle if the plates have a potential difference of 20.0 volts. Abdul Rahman.
Madam, we have 4 meters per second squared.
That's incorrect. Yes, Raphael.
We have 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 6 meters per second squared.
You're right. Now your major question with the same preamble. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of the particle if the plates have a potential difference of 100.0 volts. Yes, Raphael.
We have 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 5 meters per second squared.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 1.25 times 10 to the power negative 5 meter per second squared. With the same preamble, find the magnitude of the acceleration of the particle if the plates have a potential difference of 40.0 volts. Bafuwa.
5.0 by 10 to the negative 6 meter per second squared.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. Islamic. An element X, atomic mass 31.0, forms an oxide which is 56.3% oxygen. Determine the empirical formula of the oxide. Atomic mass for oxygen is 16.0. Abdul Rahman.
The empirical formula is XO2.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Yes, Raphael.
The empirical formula is X2O.
No. The right answer is X2O5. Your major question. An organic compound contains 60.0% carbon and 13.3% hydrogen. The rest is oxygen. Determine its empirical formula. Atomic mass for oxygen is 16, for carbon is 12, and hydrogen 1. Yes, Raphael.
Each 30. We have C5H13O2.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Yes, Apia.
C3H8O.
Yes. Your major question. Your major question. An oxide of bromine contains 28.6% oxygen. Determine the empirical formula of the oxide. Atomic mass for bromine is 80.0, that for oxygen is 16.0. Yes, Bafuwa.
We have BRO2.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds, and I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Solve for x from the cubic equation. That's the preamble. All right, so now Islamic. X cubed plus 7x squared minus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, Abdul Rahman.
We have X equal to -1 or 1 or -7.
You're right. Accra Academy with the same preamble. X cubed minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 45 is equal to 0. Raphael.
X equals -3, 3, and 5. Or 5.
2 out of 3. You know you can't change your mind, one attempt. Okay, so 5 plus or minus 3, not end. All right. PREMPEH College, x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Up here.
X equals 1, or plus or minus 2.
Yes. For the next set, it's a single question to all 3 schools. When I get to your school, please provide me with a right answer so I can move on for the next right but different answer. That means no bonus. Okay, 10 seconds. And this is the question. Darwin's process of natural selection has 4 components. 4. Please name one, only one. Islamic, first choice. Yes, Aidan.
Madam, influence of the environment.
No, I can't accept that. So, ACCRA Academy. Yes, Ejare.
Overproduction of offsprings leading to competition.
I'll give you 2, and then I'll tell you why. Yes, PREMPEH College. Go ahead, Bafuwa.
Variation amongst individuals in the community.
Yes. Yes, so the 4 components are 1, variation. That's the one we got from PREMPEH. Then 2 is inheritance. 3 is high rate of population growth. You see the way you gave yours. Overpopulation leading to competition. That's not, just high rate of population growth. Okay? And then the 4th one is differential survival and reproduction. All right. Last set of questions, 30 seconds each. Islamic. The viscosity of glycerin at 20 degrees Celsius is 1.50 pascals second. Find the volume flow rate of glycerin in a horizontal pipe of radius 0.100 meter and length 2.0 meters when a pressure difference of 30.0 pascal exists between the ends of the pipe. Abdul Rahman.
0.200 meter cube per second.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 3.93 times 10 to the power -4 meter cubed per second. ACCRA Academy. The viscosity of a honey-water mixture is 2.5 pascals second. Find the volume flow rate of the mixture through a horizontal tube of radius 5.0 times 10 to the power -3 meter and length 0.50 meter when a pressure difference of 50.0 pascal is applied across the tube. Yes, Raphael.
2.50 times 10 to the power negative 5 centimeters cubed per second.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 9.8 times 10 to the power negative 9 meter cubed per second. Last question, PREMPEH College. Find the volume flow rate of a fluid of viscosity 20.0 Pascal second through a horizontal tube of radius 5.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter and length 0.50 meter when a pressure difference of 50.0 Pascal is applied across the tube. Yes, Bafuwa.
8.4. We have 8.4 by 10 to the negative 9 meter cube per second.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 1.2 times 10 to the power negative 9 meter cubed per second. And that's the end of the first round.
When cleaning your vehicle by valeting, steaming, waxing, or polishing, make sure the engine is also sound. Servicing your vehicle with Gold synthetic oil and any quality Gold oil massages the engine, removes deposit, protects it from wear and tear for longer lasting performance, and makes your vehicle feel pampered. Made for diesel and super engines. Remember, after every 15,000 kilometers of enjoying your ride, service your engine with Gold synthetic oil.
Well, you're champion. That's why I, Azuma Nelson, 3 times world boxing champion and a patriot, always choose Goil.
Ashene Pankasa. Goil, good energy.
I can conveniently pay for my utility bills, my son's Cartoon Network on DSTV, and renew my internet services package. I can securely send my sweet mother her monthly allowance by simply transferring funds from my bond account into hers. I can also pay the gardener through any of the mobile money platforms available. I can verify if the check to the vendor has cleared. Now let me guess my sister is here at time so I can peacefully go back to sleep. With Bond Mobile app, you can do your banking anywhere. Download the Bond Mobile app on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store today. Bond, your success, our passion.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening, always understanding.
Round. Accra Academy has 9 points. Islamic Senior High School has 9 points. PREMPEH College has 27 points. Round 2. This round is also known as a speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools at the same time. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell? Islamic Senior High School. Thank you. Yours, PREMPEH College. Thank you. And yours, ACCRA Academy. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. For questions requiring calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations, there's a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes to all schools. First set of questions. 30 seconds each. First one. Find the kinetic energy of a particle of mass 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 15 kilogram, moving at 0.6 times the speed of light in vacuum. Please raise your hand. Bafwewa.
The kinetic energy is 45 joules.
Yes. Next one. An adult soccer player can kick a regulation soccer ball with sufficient force to give it an initial speed of 30.0 meters per second. If the mass of the ball is 0.400 kilogram and the kick lasts 2.50 milliseconds, find the force with which the ball is kicked.